Do you know how to sit in the deep, deep dark, surrendering, giving up on getting comfortable and running away, giving up on distraction and entertainment, letting in the emptiness, leading you to the void that then opens to the nothingness of being, observing your identity melt, your self-story now silent, your self-shell now as thin as foil, pulled into grief's current, waves washing and annihilating you, reaching for your heart and finding a portal, not wondering if you're loved, not looking for love's approval, speaking to crows that speak back, seeing your mother's face before she was born, lifting out of the duality, no longer caring about brokenness or wholeness. You're both the shore longing for ocean's horizon and the ocean seeing itself touch the shore, knowing healing is art, not work, and art is prayer, and no need to pray because words and thoughts evaporate like the scent of someone you once called lover, realizing that longing is a bridge to nowhere, childhood is a chapter, and hunger makes you lose your mind, and thirst makes you hurt others, and purpose is the trickster's best self. You can't be the chosen without naming your unchosen. The whole thing is absurd when you glimpse your reflection in the window, waiting your turn in line for heartbreak's purification to set you on fire, and the claw does not release its grip inside your chest anytime soon, at least not until you recognize the monster for the child, and the love denied the child as shame, and shame as nothing more than your ancestors' grief wanting to know you, wanting to matter, but not knowing if you're ready to be crushed by so much impersonal, ordinary, inconsolable sadness. Do you know how to sit in the deep, deep dark,